Everybody, we're off now. We're going to go get the new animals. So I don't know if I can film or not there, so I'll let you know once I get there. But fingers crossed we'll get some good stuff. So please like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you in a bit. I'm all masked up, got my Snake Island mask on, looking good. So we're going to go around now and see what they've got. I don't know if I can film or not, but you never know.
Take photo. Yeah. Mary.
Yeah, Blood Mary is lovely.
Yeah. The standard orange.
Little Otto, little Otto.
That here tank, you look.
They're stunning. Solid red lines. Absolutely beautiful.
It's as family.
I got a box of goodies. I got a box of goodies. So let's go back to the shop, get them sorted, see how we get on. We made it back, so I had to quickly shoot home and shut the video on for you. But we're back now, we're at the shop. I've got me, you can't see it because it's too dark, but I've got my box next to me. So we're going to jump into the shop now, get them sorted, get them dripping. I'll show you how to do it. And then I'm going to be here till, well, it's like 8:30 now. So I'm going to be here till gone 11 o'clock. So this is going to be fun. In the shop and it's night time, so they've got all the night lights are on. Oh, the Sambo is out the sand. Oh, let's see what everybody's about at night time. Above the sand. That's the first time I've ever seen her above the sand of her own choice. I have to admit. Well, she isn't fully out, but that's the most I've ever seen her above the sand. That is quite cool, that is. The frogs are out and about. I told you they came out at night time. I'm trying to stop. That's better. Shine on my hand. The frogs are out. That's cool. One's still asleep. Lazy, lazy, lazy. Could you just wake it up? Look. He's going to unstick his hand. Oh, and he's wiping his eyes. Oh, morning stretches, eh? Ooh. Morning stretches. Oh, he's got yawning. It's hard life, it is. Oh. Oh, he's having a yawn. Let's see what else is out and about. Snakes aren't out and about. I think most everybody else is asleep. Oh. Let's go turn the light on so we can see what we're doing. We have a look what I've got, shall we? Let's have a butchers in me box. Ooh. The first one, I got some of their lovely moss. Toy truck moss or something. I think it was called toy truck. So really cool moss this is. So I'm going to put one of these in each of the tanks, so the shrimp can have a little bit of home with them. Oh, there we go. Lovely little mossy patch for her. Put that down. There we go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's put another one in that one. So I'm going to double check all these numbers are still the same before I put the animals in, and then we'll see how we get on. So I've got one more, I'm going to put it in that one. I think I've got enough to spread amongst the three, but I didn't go too mad. Well, and I forgot most of my money. So I've got to go back again, but it should be okay. There we go. Put that there, like that. First lot we're going to get out are the orange reel. Look at them. Absolutely stunning. There's a bit of a better look. There's a baby blue one in there as well. So we get these acclimated. So it's drip acclimation, and it takes about, it takes really, they like you to do it for about 4 hours. But really, you can do it in an hour if you rush it. But I'm going to do it for about 2-3 hours. Got another little baby. Yeah, we've got him in. And what we have to do, got to set up my little dripper system. There we go. So we have that there like that. And then we should be able to, let me adjust this away from it. Okay, we don't want that. There we go. Just leave that for now. Let that drip away, and they'll slowly acclimate to that water. Slow and steady wins the race with shrimps. I'm going to save the best two till last. So these are the yellows. One of the bags is full of babies. So because I've checked them when I got home to check they're okay. Can't see any babies in this one. But absolutely stunning. It's got a nice mix of females and males. So we get these in next. Next ones we've got are the best blue shrimp I've ever seen. Now this one's got babies in, I think, if I remember right. Absolutely stunning shrimp. Now the last ones are the solid red, the solid stripe red crystals. So you can get a better look at them for you. So they are slightly smaller than the other shrimp. So these are not cherry crystals. These are solid red stripe crystals. Might get a better look at them when we release them. So while that's working away on that one, I've got to manually do it for these ones. So we're just going to be then I'll take it in turns doing it for all of them as we go. Gonna get them nicely acclimated, and then I'll be able to go home. Yay! We've got the blues, we've got the crystals, we've got the yellows, and then all the way over here we've got the orange reel. Whoop, whoop, camera. There we go. An escapee. He's escaped. So the bag got quite full. So like it is just, well, a little bit like it is now. So I just pours a little bit out like that, and then puts it back. And he must have climbed out when it was quite full the last time I did it. You naughty little shrimpo. He's having a good clean now, he's having a munch on stuff. As soon as we release them all, we'll give him a feed. We're ready to release these ones now. It's been an hour and a half. Oh, it's one nice and steady. Come on, lads and ladies. Oh, come on. Come on, bag. Oh, there's one go. That's a baby. Two babies. Come on. Why doesn't it want to come out the bag? There we go. So let them settle in and we can move these ones over and get them under the dripper. Saves me doing it. The yellows are ready to go. Come on then, everybody. Freedom. Woo. Come on then, everybody. Time to leave. Whoop. Come on, everybody. The moss is stopping it. Come on, boss. There we go. Woo. Got a couple more. Oh, look, one more. There he is. So I'll turn all the lights on once we finish and we can get a good look at them, because the camera doesn't like it like this. Dinner's come! Good old KFC! Now 10 o'clock and I finally get to have some food. Woo! So I'm halfway through my tea, but I think the blues are ready to be released. They're all swimming around, look. So yeah, the blues are ready. Come on then, everybody. Come on. Woo. Come on, is that everybody? Or have I just got moss now? Come on, just got moss, I think. Come on, boss. There we go. So I've emptied that now, moved it over, and I've got it on the crystals. I think we're just about ready to release the crystals. And it is 20 past 10. 20 past 10, look at the time! Oh, I don't know. There you go. Look, we're doing well, everybody, we're doing well. Turn the lights on so we can get a better look. Come on, lads, it's ready to go, it's ready to go. Come on. There we go, there's a bunch of them. Come on, buddy, you're the last one. There we go. Now we get to have a proper look at them. Absolutely stunning quality. They're all swimming around as well. Let's see if we've got the crystals. Whoa, there we go. So we should have 5 lovely crystals. Look how beautiful. Oh, I think they're stunning. The camera doesn't do them justice. They are proper red. Then we've got the yellows. Oh, it's all blurry. Everybody, so I'm going to turn all the lights off and I'm going to go home. So please like, subscribe, comment and share, ring the bell. And if you want to watch another video, there should be one there. If you want to subscribe to the channel, it's up there. And if you want to watch a playlist, it's up there. I'll see you in the future. Bye.